This is not a today. It's not a stream of like watching a programmer solve problems. It's a stream of watching a bumbling idiot kind of make his way through some code. Okay, let's do this. We're almost done. Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be building we're going to be finishing up the recurrent neural network that we've been creating from scratch. We're going to build in BACKPROP through time and hopefully maybe even train the network on to say hello, and we'll see how that goes. So I guess the only thing we really have to do today is just go ahead and actually do all the fun calculus stuff and calculate derivatives and whatnot so that we can eventually figure out how much we need to shift our weights by in order for the AI to learn how to output the word hello. So that's what I'll be doing. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to get a few different derivatives. All I've really done is I've just gone ahead and I've implemented this delta output for now. I'm just using what we have in Excel. Now what I have to do is I now have to calculate the derivative of the output. Now that that's working, let's now implement our hidden raw derivative. What we're then going to do is now we're going to finally figure out how much the weight should be adjusted by, and then that we're pretty much done with this layer. Actually, we have one more thing left. We just have to get the derivative of the hidden layer. But then once that's done, we then just replicate this for all the other previous time steps, add all the deltas together, so all the little adjustments we're going to be making to the weights together, add that to the weights. We're almost there. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Now for the delta bias, what we're doing is we're just this is simple. Oh, I love this. This is so simple. This is just hidden raw derivative. The biases seem to be the easiest one, but me being me, I wouldn't be surprised if I found a way to just mess everything up and make them and just break everything. And then the last thing we need to do is we just need to get the derivative for the actual hidden layer, and once that is done, oh man, we're almost done. We are almost done. Once that's done, all we then have to do is just close up the for loop, and then actually add all the deltas to the weights, and we'll be good to go. We've gone ahead, we've implemented BACKPROP using our Excel model that we've built. When I've gone ahead and I've simulated one epoch, the new set of weights that I get in my code, they match the new set of weights that I have in Excel, except they match it digit for digit, except for some reason there's one extra digit, either a 9 or a 0 in my code that does not exist in Excel. I don't know if that will affect training, but we're moving on. We're going to train it and we're going to see how it goes. What is going on today? Man, I can't, this is such a simple thing. Why is this holding me up? I thought I'd be held up by something much more complex than this. Like, oh, you know, my calculus somewhere isn't working. I'm literally getting held up because it's not subtracting numbers correctly. It's always the simple ones. Yeah, well, I mean, in this case, I was just an idiot. I thought this was going to be done by tonight, but at this rate, we're not going to be done until next week. One of those off days, yeah, I really don't know what's going on today. Today, everything, I honestly thought, we're like an hour and a half in. I honestly thought I was going to get this done in an hour max, half an hour, like max an hour, but whew. My brain is just not functioning today. Okay. Boom. Oh my god, my camera. Boom. That looks like it works.